Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the workbench. So, I was planing this piece of walnut with the smallest metallic bench plane that I have, and that is the number 3 Stanley. And I was going to strop the blade one more time to see if I get a little bit more edge out of it. So, what's the first thing you do? You pop the hood, right? That's the first thing you do when you go to look under the hood of a car. You pop the hood. So that brings up a topic about this. This is called the lever cap. Has a lever, right? Well, I know you've never done this, right? And I know that it's wrong to do it. But I find it very interesting that this front edge fits perfectly. I mean, it fits perfectly in the chip breaker screw. It couldn't fit more perfectly. So I'm sure you've never used this as a screwdriver. Also, I'm sure you've never used this flat side as a plane adjusting hammer, have you? It's kind of interesting that this square edge fits perfectly right there against the chip breaker. But I'm sure you've never done that or used it to adjust the chip breaker left and right. You've never done that either, have you? So we won't say that that's probably the number one way people have taken apart their chip breaker and their blade, or their cap iron and their cutting iron. Then when you put it all back together, you finger position it tight with your finger. You tighten the screw, which happens, good ones have knurling on it. Why do they have knurling on it? That's so you can finger tighten it. Then you've never taken, and you shouldn't do this, you've never taken your lever cap and used it to get your blade position just right before tightening it, which I'm sure you've never done, and probably there are people out there that say you should never do that. I better get back to work. Don't do this. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.